Hi, it's me, Karl Welshman, and I just had a little bag of roast pork. Literally, a bag filled with cold roast pork from 3 days ago. It was fucking perfect as a lunch, but now I'm looking for a little something to eat afterwards. So I'm going to be trying Cofresh Chilli and Lemon Grills flavoured potato snack. No origin stories on the back of the fucking packet, just the usual fucking ingredient list and some nutritional shit. Let's get these fuckers open. Got a little plate, got my crisps. Not much of an aroma. Right, let's have a look at what we got here. Kind of look like insects.
Little bit of a chili heat. A little bit of lemon.
Little bit of heat. Number one Indian snack brand, Cofresh, your chili and lemon grill flavoured potato snack with 30% less fat than regular potato crisps. I thought it was going to be a stronger flavour, but with them being diety crisps, I should have fucking known better. Seriously, any packet of crisps that's trying to show off because it's got less fat in it, basically is warning you, it ain't going to be as tasty as a full fat crisp. Chili and lemon grills from Cofresh flavoured potato snack with 30% less fat than regular potato crisps, proud to be number one Indian snack brand. Yeah, I'll give you a 5 out of 10. Door just opened by itself. Seriously, so many fucking poltergeists. You're not a poltergeist, you're a cat. What do you want? You want to go out? You want to go outside? Cat, do you want to go outside? Yeah, okay. I haven't even got a cat.